Hey everyone, welcome back to the show. All right, today we are breaking out that ROTO Q 360 again, and we're going to be making some chicken wings. First off, I'd just like to say happy Sunday, and happy Memorial Day to everyone out there, and God bless everybody that has ever served in this country. I do appreciate all that you've done for us, and those whose lives that were sacrificed. Let's just have a moment to say thank you to everyone. Okay, again, thank you. I appreciate it. All right, we're going to be using our ROTO Q 360 today. So I'm going to bring you on in close and we'll get started. Alrighty, so we're going to be doing some chicken wings today. I have here a little pack of wings. Let's get this all put together. I'll show you how it goes together again. Very simple, very easy. Got two little wings here. Lift up. You have little latches here. Put it in the latch. Lock it in. Lock it in. And I had to tell you what, they also have a I want to get it. It's a new one out there that it also has its own little grill inside where you can make a little fire and have it so you can take it out on camping and everything. I haven't picked one up yet, but I'm definitely going to. All right, got that. I want that little tray in there. And then this is the motor. Guys, this is not electric. This is all Emmanuel. What you do is you just crank this up, just like this. And you crank this up, and this will run for about 45 minutes to an hour. All right, now that it's all cranked up, go ahead. There are three little, let me turn this around for you. There are three little slits right here. Three little tabs. Line up the lower tab, and right like that. Actually, my fault. That's how you're supposed to do it. Backwards. Like that, on the outside. Okay, now, today are the wings I'm going to be using. Do it first is I want a little bit of binder, so I have here some olive oil. And just let the just let that olive oil get in there. Rub it all through. Cosmos honey chipotle killer bees. Guys, I'm going to leave a link for it in the description below. You can check it out on my Amazon. They have the 1 pound refills that you can buy one of these bottles and then just buy the refills. That's what I've been doing. I just keep on buying the 1 pound refills and filling it back up whenever I get low. If you like a little bit of heat, you're not a big fan of a lot of heat, this Killer Bees Honey Chipotle is perfect. They also have other ones out there that you can look at from Cosmos. Just remember, the more you put on, the more heat you're going to get. I'm saying that's going to be about just enough for me. Open the basket up and just drop them right on in the basket. I don't overfill the basket. Lock it in. This end goes here. And of course, the other end goes into the motor. Like that. Just like that. Pull that switch, and it'll just automatically tumble for you. I got my smoker set for 350 degrees. I got all the vents closed. Go ahead and put them in. We'll check them in 45 minutes to see how we're doing. And real quick, if you guys want to pick up that ROTO Q 360, I'll leave a link for it also in the description below. You can find that also on my Amazon. You don't have to use the smoker. You can use this inside in your oven. You want that rotisserie chicken? You like that taste of the rotisserie chicken? Well, you can put it in your oven, put a tray underneath of it, and presto changeo, you have rotisserie chicken. And it's all wireless. It's all cordless. No electricity needed. So you can take it anywhere you want to take it, guys. So please, do me a favor. Pick up one of these ROTO Q 360s for yourself and try it out. And if you do, leave a link in the leave a comment down below. Let me know how you like the ROTO Q 360. Alrighty, everyone. Well, it looks like these are done. So we're going to go ahead and pull them out of the smoker. Let's see what they look like. They're looking good. Oh, yeah. Oh, they look good. Absolutely. These guys look really good. Nice fun layer of smoke on there. Oh yeah. We're going to have to dig into one of these guys. See how we did here. It's going to be hot, but see how we did. Oh, oh my God. Oh man, that honey chipotle killer bees was so good. And they literally come right off the bone. Perfect. Perfectly smoked, cooked chicken wings. All right, guys. Again, happy Memorial Day. Thank you all, the servicemen and women out there that are serving this country, that have served this country, and that have died for this country. I want to give you a big salute and a big thank you and a big God bless. Till next time, as always, God bless and happy eats.